Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lagos, the city that never sleeps.
And traffic has backed up to Yellow. So this traffic we're talking about is for those heading towards the island.
There's this feeling that comes with having something that is not the regular with you, and it makes your outfit stand out. It makes you stand out. Beads, bracelets, bags, waist beads, bracelets. It just makes you stand out. That's something about the craft. It just makes you stand out. My name is Esther Ikubolo Atife, the face behind Tife. I started with making waist beads, and from there I moved on to bead making. I mean, it was self-taught. It was a bit challenging, but we went through it. Beading is rich in color. We work with different kind of beads, different patterns of bead. We have the Caribbean beads where it's just really pretty. We have the crystal beads that just shine. If anybody that owns a piece, any beading piece, would know that, is always obviously aware that they know that they stand out. They know that this is class. There's something about beading that makes you feel, oh, I have arrived. It in a way imbibes in our culture. The bracelets, the earrings we wear, all of it imbibes in our culture. I mean, back in the days, we used to have our parents then wearing waist beads, using neck piece. We still do it in our traditional wears where we wear beaded pieces and really stand out. So yes, it does work with our upbringing and our culture. So something about beaded beads is that they are unique. There's nothing like, oh, it's fading. So it's good to buy good quality of beads so that you know that, okay, yes, when you use the bead, there's nothing like, oh, it washes off when water touches it. No. For instance, now this bracelet on my hand, there's something about crystal bead. It shines even if you're in it, it just shines. It just pops out, and that's what has to do with good quality of bead. When you buy good quality, it shows the durability of them. Good string brings the back beads together to show the durability of them. So yes, good beads, quality string, very, very important in beading. A finished bag represents one's craft. It's not just a product. I mean, it's supposed to adorn you. I mean, from my name is Tife Adjant, so it's supposed to adorn you. That's what my beaded pieces does. It's supposed to adorn you, elevate your look. So it's not about just carrying a bag or wearing a bracelet or wearing, neck piece or wearing anklet or waist bead. It's just the confidence it gives you. That's what we are trying to preach to you. In terms of beading, the challenges we face are customers come to us with AI photos and expecting us to, produce them, and getting the quality of bead is very important, like I said earlier. So that again is another issue we have in the country. We have to tend to import them, wait for the importing to, you know how importation can be. So yes, with all of that, finding the particular beads to satisfy our customers are very important. So it also can be challenging because getting them to might take time, and it alters the duration of time to build a bag or any pieces we give the customer. Something about beading also is that funding can be very challenging too, especially when you start off as, it says, for me now, I started as a hobby and I loved it, and I'm like, okay, yes, I love to see people look good, and I ventured into it not knowing that you need funds to actually do this thing. I mean, it's very challenging when there's no funds. I must say, it's really challenging. One thing that helped me was, as much as I was self-taught, I make sure I was, telling people, okay, I saw some pictures that I can do, show my customers, my clients that, okay, this is it, I can do it, and so far I've never disappointed my customers because that helps me a lot. I mean, trust my customers. My customers mostly are females. I have male customers that buy for their spouse, buy bracelets for themselves, buy neck piece for themselves. Beaded works it cuts across every gender. fluid. Everybody's for everybody and anybody, you know. So our customers are mostly females because we do beaded bags, waist beads, and the likes. And so far, customers come with, oh, these are beautiful pieces. Oh, obviously coming back kind of review, you know. I mean, they're always beautiful, amazing reviews from my customers. Like, I love this piece. It's better than the pictures, you know. So, but yeah, I've gotten like amazing feedbacks from my customers. I was featured on the HSAP program that happened in June, and it was really amazing to see people, you know, people make their own beaded pieces full bag. But yeah, so it was really amazing to see that. And also, I did an event called Beads and Bonds, of which the first one was it was amazing because the joy that I saw on people's face when they could make their own bracelets, their own straps. I mean, another one is coming up, so you can always reach out to us for Beads and Bond 2.0. It's coming up very soon, so yes, stay tuned. And also, we have NGOs that we are partnered with. One is Next of Dreams NGO, which is an amazing NGO, which we help children learn a skill, you know. So yes, we look forward to getting funds from you, by the way, for our NGO. In case you want to partner with us, please send us a DM or reach out to Next of Dreams on IG, and we'll get back to you. Tife House is a fashion house, of which we have another brand called 24 Slugs, of which is an amazing. People should just watch out for the space. We have amazing fashion pieces coming out too, and also watch out for Tife add-ons too for you, so that you enjoy and come and learn a piece, come and mingle, come and, you know, that's the idea of Beads and Bonds, to mingle, to, you know, learn a piece, get the experience, being an experience that you will not naturally you just see online. That sometimes you need to see the physical one, sometimes you need to like have conversations around. I know you have the dream, I know you have the passion, I know you have the idea, but I'll just tell you today that you should do it. Just do it.